to Soleil's Fun House. Hi guys, today I'm gonna open CRA-Z Slimy Creations. Whoa. You get white slime glue, clear slime glue, and slime activator. You also get a bowl and glitter. You get 3 colorants, pink, dark blue, and green. You also get some spatulas and pots. First of all, you need 15 mils of clear glue. Get an adult to help you. Now pour it in the bowl. Now you need 25 mils of room temperature water. Put the water in the bowl with the glue.
So you can go neon or go glitter. What do you want to make? What slime do you want to make? You want to make glitter? Okay. So you're going to add a little bit of colorant, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Now stir. Now you need 5 mils of the slime activator.
Wow, that's looking really good, Soleil.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow, that looks brilliant. It looks so bright and glittery and sparkly.
Yeah, it does.
Let's have a hold of it then. See the consistency of it. Wow. Look at that.
Stuck on me.
Really good. Look at that, guys.
Yeah. And it's stuck on my hand.
It's stuck on your hands? Ooh, this is definitely slimy.
Yes.
Look how it stretches. Whoa.
Ah, my hand.
Whoa.
My hand is So this is definitely slime.
Wow. So this colour, when you mix the green, blue and pink colourant, has actually turned out blue. We put some glitter in as well. Let's have a look. Whoa. Here we go, guys. Can you see the glitter as well?
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.